Remember those times when you travel and see something so amazing it takes your breath away? Well, that's exactly what happened to me on a trip to a beautiful village. I found this endless field of sunflowers, taller than me, all turning their happy faces towards the sky filled with fairy orange, pink, and purple. It felt like a scene straight out of a movie. Hi, my name is Sanya. Welcome to my channel. Today we are painting a stunning field of sunflowers, bathed in sunset glow. As I stood there soaking it all in, a sweet old lady with a warm smile came up to me. Her name was Anu, and she looked after this amazing field. We sat under a big shady tree, and she began to tell me a story that I will never forget. Turns out, this field has a special story. Years ago, Anu's grandfather used to play a magical instrument called Shanai right here. His music was full of happiness and life, and the sunflowers used to dance. But then one terrible storm swept through the village, silencing his music forever. Without music, the sunflowers seemed to lose their glow and happiness. Anu's story touched my heart. I wanted to capture the beauty of the field, vibrant sunflowers, and the memory of lost music. So here we are. Today we will use some special paints called acrylics to bring this magic back to life. We will paint the sunflowers bathed in sunset, waiting to hear the music again. As I finished this painting, a feeling of hope filled me. It wasn't just a picture, it was a reminder of Anu's grandfather and a wish for something wonderful to happen. Maybe someday the music of Chennai will return, filling the air and making sunflowers dance once more. Remember, even a picture can hold a magical secret waiting to be discovered. Did you enjoy this creative journey? If you did, hit that like button and subscribe for more art adventures. There you have it, our very own secret of sunflower field.